You're not broken, you're dysregulated. I'm Jake Paul, and I'm going to show you how to reset your nervous system and find a new sense of calm in 2 minutes. No experience needed. Let's do this right now. First, the box breathing. Sit somewhere comfortable and close your eyes if that feels safe. Watch me first, and then we'll do this together. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold it for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold it for 4 seconds. Like a box. That's 1 round, and we'll do 4 rounds together. Ready? Inhale for 4. Hold it for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold it for 4. There's 1. Inhale for 4. Hold it for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold it for 4. There's 2. Inhale for 4. Hold it for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold it for 4. There's 3. Inhale for 4. Hold it for 4. Exhale for 4. And hold it for 4. There's 4. Did you feel your breathing slow down? That's your parasympathetic nervous system kicking in. Now, pick up your guitar. I'm going to use a G chord. You can use any chord. It doesn't matter. What really matters is the guitar being pressed against your body while you strum, so you can feel the vibration while you breathe. So here's what the actual technique looks like. You breathe in, strum, hold it, exhale, strum. 2, 3, 4. That was 4 rounds. And I already feel calmer, my shoulders relax, I feel more aware and more alert. I typically do this in the morning, but you could do it any time of the day. Before a stressful phone call or a meeting, you can do it after work as well. Just know that you now have a natural way to reduce stress and come back to a calmer state of mind. Now it's your turn to practice. Remember, when your nervous system is calm, there is no need to escape. Being aware is the drug.